Hello and welcome to What's Your Hobby? Our today's topic is PopArt coaster painting. This is the second video on how to paint coasters using the PopArt technique. I will show you how to paint a new PopArt design on a round shaped MDF coaster today. Paint a white base coat over the MDF coaster. In my previous video, we saw how to paint these designs. I will keep them aside. I will start sketching the word POW on this coaster. I will use the PopArt style to draw the word. Look at some of the samples here on the screen. Draw gently as you don't want to peel out the paints. The pencil lines are not visible to you, so I will go over these lines with a marker. Yes, the sketch is now visible to you, I hope. I'm going to use acrylic colors to paint this project. But if you want, you can also use tempera colors. I will use all the bright colors like red, yellow, blue and black. I'm painting the word with a bright red color. We will draw an outline at the end, so don't worry about the words getting mixed with each other. Please visit our channel What's Your Hobby to know more about the different coaster painting techniques. Here I have mixed blue and white to make a sky blue color. I will paint this zigzag part with this blue color now. This looks very light. So now I will add some more blue to brighten this color. This looks quite better now. I will fill up this part with this blue color. I will paint this inner part with the yellow color. I will carefully paint around each letter. Now I will paint with orange color around each letter, but this time it will be really tight around each letter. You will have to use a thin brush for this and be patient while coloring. I am also maintaining the zigzag shape around the word. If you're not sure, then draw a zigzag line around the word and then paint with the orange color. I'm adding black dots with the brush. If you want, you can make these dots using a marker pen too. The paints are dried and now I'm drawing black outline to the whole design. I'm using a thin brush. If you want, you can also use a marker to draw these outlines. Keep some lines slightly thicker. This will create a cool effect. So now the red and the orange colors are really blending with each other. But here, as we start painting the outlines around the letters with the black paint, it has really started to stand out or pop out. Hey guys, my PopArt coaster is now ready. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Watch more videos on coaster painting. Till then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby? Watch the next video on DIY coaster painting.